From a bedroom comfort perspective, here is what matters most. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Are you tired of waking up to a boring alarm clock? Well, I've got a game changer for you. The Alarm Clock's American Retro Silent Small Alarm by decibels is a total revolution. This thing is a styling powerhouse that will take your morning routine to the next level. With its metal frame and king-size display, it's the perfect addition to any bedroom, and the best part, it's extremely simple to operate, perfect for adults, children, teens, seniors and the elderly. This clock has been designed with absolute simplicity in mind, so you can just set it and forget it. And with its silent walking time, you can quietly fall asleep without any distractions. The American retro style gives it a unique and fashionable look, and the alloy metal material makes it feel solid and durable, with a texture that's smooth to the touch. Many customers have purchased and reviewed this product, and it's clear why it's so well reviewed. It's just so versatile. Whether you're a student looking for a creative desk clock, or a parent looking for a reliable alarm clock for your kids, this thing delivers. The low decibels and faint electric current sound make it perfect for light sleepers, and the fact that it's available in 5 different colors means you can match it to your unique style. Unlike other alarm clocks on the market, this one is a statement piece. It's not just something you hide on your nightstand, it's something you want to show off, and with its elegant design, you'll want to display it proudly. So why settle for a boring alarm clock when you can have a stylish and functional one? Get your hands on the Alarm Clock's American Retro Silent Small Alarm by decibels and start waking up to a better tomorrow. As always, links in the description. 1. If this review helped, please like the video, subscribe for more honest reviews, and share it if you liked the video.